Hey guys, it's Robin from Rover. We've got an unboxing and we have this huge box that showed up in the mail. It's been a while since we've done unboxings like this because I have not been buying yarn because I said I wasn't going to buy yarn. Okay, I bought some yarn. So, let's see what's in this giant, heavy box. All right, this is a Herrschners order. You know I love Herrschners. Herrschners and Mary Maxim are probably the two places that I order from the mostest. The absolute mostest. And it was late at night, and there was a sale. There's always a sale. But you know me, I'm not paying full price for stuff. And to be fair, there's a couple Christmas presents in here, but honestly, not that much. I thought there was more, but really mostly it's for me. What did we get? Of course, there's always the ads because, you know, we need more ads, right? We need more ads. And here's our shipping. Everything I got was on sale. Everything. And I got an extra 10% off and free shipping. I put some stuff in my cart and the next day they sent me a free shipping coupon. Herrschners does not typically do that. As a rule, Mary Maxim will always do that. If you put stuff in your cart, go away, the next day you've got a free shipping coupon. At least I do. Herrschners, not typically the case. So I was very surprised. And when that free shipping coupon showed up, I jumped on this. Because I was on the fence. And I had put the stuff in the cart, and I actually took quite a bit out and just bought this stuff. So let's see what we got. And I'll tell you the prices that the unit prices are on here, but remember I got an additional 10% off of everything. So right off the bat, I ordered some, okay, you guys are going to laugh at me because this is so old lady. This is so old lady. And I know it, but I like them. So my daughter, who I do not think is going to watch this, but if she does, she'll see it. Yeah, she'll see it anyway. It's not really a surprise. She likes snowmen. And I saw this snowman banner. Isn't that cute? So this is one of those sequin banners. Well, let me start over. Let me start over because this one I can show you and you can see better what it is like. Oh, good Lord, there's more ads. Because I can't find enough stuff on my own to make. Okay. Back up. A couple years ago, for my daughter, I made her one of these. Remember? So old lady. But remember these old lady calendars that had, you put the sequin design on them? Okay, and it was made out of felt, and then you sew the sequins on. I love these things. I love them. I don't know why, but I do. So I made her one of these, and she thought it was beautiful, and it had a lot of purple flowers and things. And then the end of the year came, and it was time to throw the calendar away, and she didn't want to throw it away. And she is not like me. She is not a keeper of the junk. It's gone. But it was so pretty, she had a hard time throwing it away. And I said, just throw it away. Because I knew in my mind, I had found these banners that aren't really a calendar. And so she could keep this as a winter/Christmas decoration. Yes, definitely Christmas. It's got a candy cane. I was hoping more winter so she could keep it up all winter. She still might. You know, she's the 1st of December, put up the Christmas decorations. During Christmas dinner, we're taking down the Christmas decorations kind of person. Not like me, where come February, there's still something somewhere that is a Christmas decoration hanging around. So I got this so that she didn't have to get rid of it and she could keep it. And, you know, they come with these little wooden dowel thingies to hang them up with. But I found this. Isn't that pretty? So then she can have her pretty snowman and hang it up with this pretty thing. This was $14 for both of them, for the hanger and the snowman. Okay. I loved this calendar. I loved the pumpkins. I loved and it looks fallish to me with the apples and the flowers and you know, the apple cider sign, but it kind of fits in with my country cowboy sort of design that slowly but surely is happening in my house, although you wouldn't know it with my big old blank wall. And it's a 2023 calendar, so I got it way cheap. So this was $5. And I think they started at 15 maybe. And it's the same thing. It's the kit. You sew the beads on. You can glue them on, but I don't mind sewing them on. It's hard on your little fingers. So I did order these little teeny tiny round. They stick to your finger. It's like a little thimble-y thing, but it sticks to your finger. Somebody told me that those are wonderful. And as soon as they get here, I will show you and we'll try them out. But it comes with the dowel and it comes with the thing and the ends. And probably a couple of needles. Yep, there's a needle. You need more than one because I will lose that right off. But $5 for a kit. Oh, here's the other thing. Here's the other reason I did this. And then for me, I ordered this topper. See the heart? So this one I can use. I figured I can use all year round. And then, oh, I just thought of something. So I've got the calendar up all year round. I should have got 2 of those. So the calendar was $5 and the heart vine topper was $10 plus my extra 10%. And then I got me a banner, and I am not a gnome person at all, but I just fell in love with this Valentine gnome. And because Mr.'s birthday is at Valentine's, I just thought this would be a fun one to have. Little decoration for Valentine's. They seem to have some kind of a thing for pretty much every month. So in my mind, I thought slowly I will grab some for each of the different holidays. And then, so that might be what I do. And so each holiday, I'll have my little banner up with my design. So maybe I'll see those on sale again and grab another one. And it's the same thing, the same kind of kit. You sew the little beads on. And I'm in no hurry for this because now this is next year. The calendar one, got to do fairly quickly. So this was the other reason I got this, is I'm going to go visit my daughter. She lives in Texas, and I'm going to go visit her in a couple months. And I'll be there for a month, which means I need projects. But it's tricky to take yarny projects because, you know, they grow while you're there, and then you got to transport them back home. So I either take smallish stuff, which is fine, and I do have a shawl that I'm going to take, but I also like to do things that I'm going to leave there, and so I can work on it while I'm there and leave it there. So that was the thought process behind that. So I got a decoration, a couple decorations for my house, the calendar, and a gift for my daughter. And in my mind, I said, oh, Christmas present, but let's get real. I'm just going to hand it to her. And I think that's all of that stuff. Oh, the gnome was $12. I didn't think that was bad. $12. He's cute. And then the yarn. Most of it's yarn. This was the other thing that was on sale. I like the Herrschners worsted 8. And these colors, and I bought lots of their worsted 8 before. And I would have bought a lot more. I'm glad I didn't, though, now that I see how big these skeins are. But what caught my eye was these heathered colors. Isn't that beautiful? Lately, I'm really loving the heathered colors. That is so pretty. And you know, the heathered is just like the pink and the white mixed in it. That's what makes it heathered. Okay, so the heathered colors, and I got 2 of every color. Should have got 3 of a couple of them, but I got 2 of every color. I was thinking knitting machine. I was thinking with 2 of each color, I could probably do a hat and a scarf. Well, I can't even find the 2 matching ones. So I was thinking I could do a hat and a scarf with 2 skeins. Maybe more, maybe not. But that's kind of what I was thinking when I got the 2 of each color. So each one of these, the Herrschners worsted 8, each one is an 8-ounce ball. And that's why they're so big. And I knew that, but it just wasn't clicking in my head. 100% acrylic, 489 yards. Machine wash and dry, made in Turkey. You know, we like the made in Turkey. Oh, it's so soft. So soft. And this is a number 4. I have some of the yarn in white, and it is not nearly this soft. It's a much denser feel to it. So I think the heather makes it feel softer, the mix. This is the color brick. It's so pretty. This is the one that caught my eye to start with. This is what sent me down this rabbit hole. So we have 2 of the brick, and I cannot even find. I have 2 of each one, and I can't even find them. So we got, this is the color navel. Got 2 of those. It's a real pretty blue. We have 2 of the Verve Violet. Such a pretty color. We have 2 Fossil, a real pretty soft green. I would call it almost a sage green. And gray. Ooh, the gray does not feel as soft as the other ones. Not at all. It immediately does not feel as soft as the other ones. Isn't that funny how different colors are different? This definitely does not feel as soft. And this is called Woodland. So this, and I know there's another one. Where did it go? I don't know. There's another one. But look how pretty. See if I can do it. Look how pretty these colors are together. I really like those colors. There's another one. I know I showed you another one, but now I can't find it now. So I really like these marled heather. They call these heathers. These come in the heathers. These are normally $10 a ball, and I got them for $4.97 with an extra 10% off. So $4.50. $4.50 a ball for an 8-ounce 500-yard ball. 489 yards, 500 yards. Okay, super good deal. Super good deal. And what else did we get? Oh yeah, there's the other colors down in there. We also got some, it's their regular worsted yarn. Now this feels more like the white yarn that I was talking about. It's denser, it feels heavier, but it's the same yarn, which is so funny. But it must be the process of making the heather, mixing it, makes it feel softer. This is much denser. So this is just their regular Herrschners worsted yarn. It's also an 8-ounce ball. It is 100% acrylic, 489 yards, exact same specs, machine wash and dry. Oh, I think we have found the answer. Yes, I think we have found the answer. Hold on. Let me look here. Yep, we have found the answer. Made in Turkey, made in China. The Turkey yarns are always very soft, so much nicer, so much better feel than the made in China ones. That's the answer. Okay, so these are made in China. These are made in Turkey. So I grabbed these because of the colors. And everyone that I got is the, I'm calling them an ombre. I haven't seen, so there's your color change. Yeah, there's a lot of color changes there. So that's definitely an ombre. And that's going to work up. See, this is another ombre. Same kind of thing. That's going to work up like this with your short color changes. All right. That's why these caught my eye, because I love the ombre. I don't care for the things where you've got, I don't know, 6 or 8 yards of one color and then boom, it's a totally different color. And they don't meld into each other and they're completely different colors. That hurts my mind. But the ombres, I enjoy those because it's shorter color changes and they mix together and they blend together. So what colors did we get? We got, should have gotten 1, 2, 3, should have 4 colors. I did good. I controlled myself. There was a lot to pick from, let me tell you. So of course, this one is the Northern Lights. How glorious is that? You know I had to get that one with all the purples. And I got 2 of each one of these. So the Northern Lights. This one is called Prism. And that one just looks so springtimey and Eastery to me. I just loved that one. This one is Crushed Berries. Again, the beautiful purples. Wow, that's pretty. Super pretty. Crushed Berries. And this is Spice. This just so looked like fall to me. I had to have that one. And again, with Herrschners, you get that little tab. And that little tab is where the end of the yarn is. Miracle of miracles. I don't know why everybody doesn't have something like that on their yarn. That right there is worth the price of admission. But it's a nice 4-weight. You can see that it's a nice weight on these. These are good value. There's just no way around that. So I got 2 each of those. And that's all. That is all that I got. I think I controlled myself quite well. Quite well. Even though other people don't feel the same way. So how much were these? These were normally $9 each. And they were on sale for $4.47. Which, and then I got another, so I got them for $4. $4 for an 8-ounce, almost 500 yard skein. These are going to be beautiful worked up. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so I got the 4 colors. And that's it. That's everything that's in this box. Okay, so let's put that in there. And we're going to have a bonus here. A bonus unboxing. So the other day, you probably saw the video where we unboxed the knitting machine that I bought from Hobium. And they shipped it. And when I got it, I had forgotten that I had also ordered some yarn. And I kind of just pulled the yarn out real quick and said, okay, we'll talk about this later. Because I wanted to get to the knitting machine. So let's talk about the yarn that we got. And I showed it, and I showed the colors a little bit, but I didn't talk about any of the yarn. So we're going to do that right now. We're going to do that right now. Actually, I've changed my mind. This video is already getting long enough, and I'm going to do a second separate video on the Hobium. So stay tuned for the Hobium video. Please like this video. I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. It doesn't cost anything and it helps us a whole lot. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.